So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 5 best meme coins for this coming mega bull run here. These meme coins are still low cap meme coins and not listed on Binance Exchange yet, but these meme coins have potential to be the next listing for Binance Exchange and be the next $1 billion market cap meme coins here. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer, actually like video and subscribe to the channel. Friend, first of all, you can see our first meme coin is AI Dogecoin. Okay, Arb Doge AI. Okay, coin has currently 9 zeros in its price. Why this meme coin is very unique? Because this meme coin is working on Arbitrum blockchain. Okay, this is the Arbitrum ecosystem meme coin, so that's why this meme coin is very unique. Okay, it's still not listed on many centralized exchanges, many major centralized exchanges, but still this meme coin has awesome trading volume. Okay, that is $8.2 million trading volume. $48 million market cap, so market cap is also good, trading volume is good. Okay, and it's almost 10% supply is already burned. Okay, and I can see coin is not too old. Okay, just 10 months ago this meme coin has make its all time low. Okay, and 77% down than its all time high. Coin has already killed 2 zeros when it's make its all time high. Already listed on Bitget, OKX, okay, and HTX, Get.io. And friends, maybe when crypto market will be recovered again, okay, when BTC will again make a new all time high, and we can again see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins, then this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its major cent like exchange listing soon. Maybe KuCoin we can list this AI Dogecoin soon here. Okay, so our first meme coin is AI Dogecoin. Definitely its market cap can goes into $1 billion in this coming mega bullion. First, our second meme coin is Ladies coin. Okay, you can see coin is currently pumped by almost 20% here. Coin is currently 6 zeros in its price. Okay, Elon Musk inspired meme coin. Okay, $99 million market cap, $11.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's amazing. Coin is working in Ethereum chain. This is a Elon Musk inspired meme coin. DWF last portfolio are also investing here. Okay, we are 73% down than its all time high and 15,000% up than its all time low. Coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. Okay, initially launched with 9 zeros, but right now ladies has only 6 zeros in its price, so this is amazing. Okay, before starting of bull run this meme coin has already killed 3 zeros. Okay, so this is amazing. Okay, already listed in KuCoin exchange, crypto.com, Bybit. So it's possible that we can see its Binance exchange next. Okay, it's possible that we can see its Binance exchange listing this year. Okay, and ladies coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. Maybe we can see its market cap up to 20 to $25 billion by the end of this coming mega bullion. First, the third meme coin is Bob token. Okay, you can see coin is currently 4 zeros in its price. Current market cap is just $21 million. Okay, only $21 million market cap meme coin. So super low cap meme coin, just $4 million trading volume in last 24 hour. Coin is working in Ethereum chain. We are 85% down than its all time high and 1700% up than its all time low. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. So performance is good. Okay, not too bad. Already listed on KuCoin exchange, MEXC, Coin W, Bybit. Okay, too many cent-like exchanges has already listed this meme coin, and maybe in future we can see its further major exchange listings also. So Bob token has also potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. It's still not listed on tier one exchanges, so it's possible that we can see its tier one exchange listing also in future. First, number fourth meme coin is Vita Inu coin. Okay, Vita Inu coin is my most favorite meme coin. Okay, one of my most favorite meme coin. And I'm holding this meme coin since last 3 years. I purchased this meme coin in previous bull run. Okay, on Pancake exchange. I'm still holding this meme coin since last 3 years. Okay, I'm still holding this in Trustfall. Coin has currently 7 zeros in its price and super low cap meme coin. Okay, you can see just $11 million market cap. So market cap is super low here, but trading volume is $6.4 million. That's amazing. Okay, and this year 2024 this meme coin was listed on KuCoin exchange, so that's amazing. The community is still active. Yeah, 80% down in its all time high and just 300% up in its all time low. Coin is listed in Bybit and KuCoin exchange, MEXC, HTX. Okay, these central exchanges that's already listed this coin. Still this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for the major central exchanges here. In future it's possible that we can see its market cap up to $1 to $2 billion here, and Vita Inu coin is as a super low cap meme coin, so this has potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. First, number fifth and last meme coin is Money Coin. Okay, this is very amazing meme coin. Okay, and I think when this meme coin was launched newly here, okay, and within just a few hours of its launching, this meme coin was launched on to many cent-like exchanges. Okay, that's why there was massive hype for Maniki coin at these days. Okay, you can see $0.0057 current price. Okay, $52 million market cap. The market cap is good. $18.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's crazy. Coin is working on Solana chain. This is a Cathy meme coin on Solana chain. That's awesome. We are 78% down than its all-time high and just 31% up than its all-time low only. Okay, coin is very new. Okay, just 2 months ago this meme coin was launched here, listed on KuCoin exchange where I'm holding this MEXC HTX. Okay, these central exchanges has already list this coin but is still not on tier 1 exchanges. Okay, you can see crypto.com has also listed this meme coin. So this meme coin has also potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here, and maybe we can see Maniki coin to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. Okay, what's your price prediction about these all meme coins? Which is your most favorite meme coin among these five meme coins? You can must comment down below.